All right. What's going on, everybody? This is Bitcoin Brandon from Los Angeles, California. Thank you guys for taking a quick listen in. I wanted to take a timeout out of working right now because I am putting the final touches on a new lesson that I have written up about the Bitcoin halving. So first of all, Happy New Year to everybody. We are kicking off this year with the Everything January promo for ILCA, getting people crypto educated around the world. Now, the thing is, this first week or full week of January, we have had some exciting things that have taken place, like the Bitcoin spot ETFs have been approved by the SEC. We see a lot of volatility happening in the markets right now, and a lot of people don't even understand what's going on or why, which is why I say crypto education is key. It is everything. Speaking on that, I am doing a special live tomorrow morning on the Bitcoin halving, because this is something that happens once every 4 years, give or take. Around April of this year is the next Bitcoin halving. Now, if you're into crypto, you hear about it all the time, but you kind of have an understanding of it. I still think maybe 80% of people in crypto don't know what it is. But if you're not inside of crypto, you definitely have no idea what it is and why you keep hearing about it. So tomorrow, I'm going to do a special live to break down what is the Bitcoin halving, why it is important, and why you should even pay attention. Only problem is, I'm not doing this publicly. This is going to be a private presentation just for those who have taken advantage of the January Everything ILCA promo. One time $99 for this month. What are you getting with that $99? Well, you're getting all the crypto talks I do every morning. By the way, if you've been missing that this week, you missed out on some money. I made a couple of calls earlier this week and already made more than 14% on my money. And so did our members who took action from what we discovered. But I'm also going to make you a VIP for the rest of the year of our 5-day challenge, which is 10 days from today. It's our very first 5-day challenge of 2024 with brand new lessons that we're going to cover in that 5-day challenge. And then it gives you access to our diamond classes, because I've already created 45 new videos covering Web 3.0, tokenization, and artificial intelligence. Every Tuesday and Wednesday night, we cover that. So we just did that the other night, this week, covered 2 lessons. What is decentralization in Web 3.0, and also Web 3.0 identity. We've already done those 2 lessons. If you miss those and decide you want the Everything ILCA now, you will still have access to those recordings in our private group. So even if you're late on this, you can still capture what we've already covered. But then tomorrow, I will be doing a special right after Public Crypto Talk. I will be doing a Public Crypto Talk, 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 a.m. Pacific tomorrow morning. And then right after that at 12 p.m. Eastern, we will be switching to our private Zoom channel. For those of you that have paid the $99, and we're going to do a private lesson, a breakdown on what the Bitcoin halving is, why it's important, and what you can start to do right now to take advantage of it and be prepared. So that is all I wanted to share. I'm going to get back to work finishing up our courses. I will see you guys tomorrow morning in our public crypto talk, and you still have a chance to get into our Everything ILCA for January 2024 for $99. I will drop that link in the comments right below this video. Have a great day, everybody. Bitcoin Brandon out. Bye-bye.